so it is actually like so bright outside right now, so oh my gosh. And if I sneeze, it's because every time I am in like dark and then I walk into light, I sneeze, so don't judge. Okay, so I'm taking the dogs for a walk. And it's hard walking both of them because Chloe always wants to run and Austin always wants to walk. So it's like, that's how it always is though. You have two dogs who like going on walks. So, I'm just going to be taking them for a walk. It's so hot outside right now where I live. It's like so hot. Let me turn the camera around so y'all can see them. You probably want to see the dogs while I'm taking the dogs for a walk. You may want to see them. There's the dogs. So, oh, look how pretty these flowers are. So pretty. So, if you can tell, it's really bright outside where I live. And hot. I hate that it's so hot. If it was not hot, it'd be so much better because, yeah. But it's weird because, so, hang on, let me situate them. Okay. So, in Texas, during the school year, whenever it was winter, it got so cold that it actually snowed. It was freezing, so cold outside. So, it was hot here. I mean, it was cold here once in Texas. But now, it's like so hot. And it's so weird how it can be so cold and snow. Now so hot to where you're like about to pass out when you're outside. Imagine being a softball player. Like, that's terrible. Like a football player. Not want to do that, but that's okay. So, that's what we're doing. I'm just taking them on a little walk. Oh, Chloe's going to the bathroom. I won't video her. Austin! Ah, she's tangled me. Okay, we're good. So guys, I'm gonna like end this video and just maybe see you guys in a second. Maybe. So we just got done with the walk. And I'm putting up their leashes up there. I'll turn the camera on so you can see what I'm doing because I didn't explain it very well. Okay, so there's Chloe. I'm hanging their leashes up on these things. Okay. Alright. Y'all ready to go inside? That was a hard workout, wasn't it? Okay, they're probably ready for me. Go. Come on, Austin. Where'd he go? There he is. Did you finish it yet? He's working on this thing. Do y'all have water in your bowl? Let's go check. Make sure. Yep, y'all have water. They always get so hungry, but then they like don't drink their water after. I'm like, what? Okay. That was an interesting walk. Now, go lay on my bed. This is a dumb short video, but that's okay.